Good morning, everyone. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir. Good
Okay.
morning.
So today I will take class. So sir, maybe he'll continue later. Okay. So let's move on to class. So now shell scripting completed or
No, three more classes are pending.
pending?
Yeah.
You are in shell script only, right? Okay. So we are going to see. We are going to discuss a new tool. We'll see. So cloud. We'll see cloud. AWS. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So today we'll see so what is AWS cloud and so what is the uses and why you go for AWS cloud. So AWS means Amazon Web Services. So AWS means Amazon Web Services. So usually in interview also in real time also nowadays more all companies as most all companies maximum they are following so any cloud. So earlier, right, organization just assume. So earlier, if you go 10 years and all, so organization means they are maintaining some servers, right? Physical servers. Got it. Hmm? So if they want one server, they want any one server, Windows server, or Linux server, or so any server. So mostly they are maintaining physical servers. What they are doing? Physical servers. Physical server means what we need. Anyone? What is where? What we need to maintain? So we need one server. For example, just assume we have one new application. So we have one new application. New application. So for this application, we need to one server. We need to develop the code. We need to develop the code and deploy your application. And for that, we need one server. So physical server means so like our laptop or desktop. Correct. I need one server. If we need server means so at least we need to maintain some configuration, right? అర్థమవుతుందా కాన్ఫిగరేషన్
Yes.
రియల్ టైమ్ లో
Yes.
if you want to deploy any server so they are based on client requirement we need to buy one server first we need to maintain one server ఫిజికల్ గా అంటే మనకు ఫిజికల్ గా మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి సపరేట్లీ దే ఆర్ గివింగ్ వన్ సపరేట్ స్పేస్ వన్ హై కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ హై రైట్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ సర్వర్ high configuration server. For example, right, so if we take our laptop, mostly we are using 4 GB or so 500 GB hard disk. Same way, like server means we are maintaining some, for example, 128 RAM, right, 128 GB RAM. At least based on that, based on this and all, based on project bandwidth, based on అంటే మన ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఎలాంటిది సో హౌ మెనీ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ యూ వాంట్ టు డిప్లాయ్ ఎందుకంటే అది రన్ అవ్వాలి కదా అట్లీస్ట్ వీ నీడ్ టు సమ్ ప్రాసెసర్స్ అండ్ 64 ప్రాసెసర్స్ ఓకే 64 CPU and we need to hard disk right SSD so how much space we need to maintain for example 5 GB hard disk I know, right? So remaining things same only. These are the main configuration, right? Generally, if you want to buy any server or if you want to buy any mobile, first మీరు ఏం అడుగుతారు సో వాట్ ఈస్ రైట్ సో ప్రాసెసర్ ర్యామ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్టోరేజ్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద బేసిక్స్ థింగ్స్ రైట్ if you want to buy this server if you want to buy this server and we need to spend some amount also right clear అర్థమవుతుందా just assume so we have one small organization and I have a project. I want to deploy my projects. డిప్లాయ్ అంటే మన ల్యాప్టాప్లో కానీ డెస్క్టాప్లో కానీ సింపుల్గా డిప్లాయ్ చేసేయాలి కదా సో వీ వాంట్ టు గివ్ లైవ్ ఆల్సో సో నవేడేస్ ఆల్ అప్లికేషన్స్ వెబ్, రైట్? వెబ్ అంటే దీనికి సపరేట్గా ఒక ఇంటర్నెట్ కనెక్షను. సో వీ నీడ్ టు మెయింటైన్ సపరేట్ స్పేస్ అండ్ ఆల్సో ఏసీ ఫర్ మెయింటెనెన్స్, ఇంటర్నెట్. సో లాట్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్ వీ నీడ్ టు మెయింటైన్. Otherwise, so this is not a regular small, right? Once application is deployed, if one application deploy చేసిన తర్వాత this is on live, right? 24/7 ఆల్వేస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రన్నింగ్. అంతేగాని దీన్ని మనం వర్క్ చేసిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ మనం ఆఫ్ చేయలేం. 24/7 ఇట్ ఈస్ రన్నింగ్. సో లైవ్ మీన్స్ వాట్ ఈస్ లైవ్? ఇట్ వోంట్ షట్ డౌన్, నో డౌన్ టైమ్. క్లియర్? హలో, అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes,
సో
sir.
Yes,
real
sir.
time these are the mandatory. Just assume so how we are maintaining. So if you join any organization, even MNC company, small, everywhere, so this and all common things only. Okay, try to understand. So they are maintaining one server, but these all are the physical servers. Now assume if you want to buy this much configuration, at least how much? ఎంత ఉండదు చెప్పండి. So what is this? 160 GB RAM and 64 CPU and 5 TB hard disk and also high configuration. At least. So for example, so I am using this only 16 I am using this much 16 GB RAM. I am using only 16 GB RAM and my laptop configuration is I don't know, I forget. So this is also nearly 1 lakh. This is very for personal use only. Okay, if you go properties, so my configuration is 16 GB and so processor. Where is processor? i5 processor. This is only i5 processor 1.3 gigahertz only. Okay, now this is only 500 GB SSD. So this is nearly 1 lakh rupees. But here, see here, what is high configuration, right? 160, 168 GB RAM, 64 GB CPU processor, and 5 TB hard disk. At least how much? ఎంత ఉండొచ్చు ఇది యావరేజ్గా? హలో, 4 lakhs ఉండొచ్చునా? క్లియర్? ఆర్ 5 lakhs? హలో. So now I want to buy this like this. I need to buy so 3 servers. I need to buy 3 servers. 3 5s we need to spend 15 lakhs, right? Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So 3 servers, okay. Buy చేశాను. But we need to maintain, right? ఈ సర్వర్స్ అన్ని మళ్ళీ మనం ఏం చేయాలి? మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి. మెయింటైన్ చేయాలంటే ఇన్ రియల్ టైమ్, so they are giving one server that is like so all servers they are keep in one place, separate place, and also we need AC, correct? AC, and also we need to maintain space and also internet, and also we need to one maintenance guy. Okay, చూసుకోవాలి కదా ఇవన్నీ, కరెక్టా? So we have in real time we need to maintain lot of things. We need to spend a lot of amount. So old days we are maintaining like this only. Old days we are maintaining like this only. So nowadays there is many clouds available in market. Clouds is nothing but like hotel. ఇప్పుడు మనం మాన్యువల్గా మనం సో ఫుడ్ ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోవాలి. వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఐటమ్స్ ఇన్ నీడ్, యు నో, రైట్? క్లియర్? Same way, I need one server, same configuration, but I don't want to buy. But I need this server only 6 months. Just assume these 4 servers, these 3 servers, I need only 1 year. So నాకు 1 year కావాలి. So 1 year కి we cannot spend this much amount, right? Waste, right? Clear? I'm going to deploy my application, the like 1 year. For 1 year, I need this much configurations and also 3 servers. And so if you want to buy, how much so amount we need to spend, and what is the maintenance, internet, and blah blah blah, lot of things involved here. Nowadays, so to overcome this problem, and nowadays there is many providers available in market. There is many providers in our market. So these are the topmost provider: AWS, Amazon Web Services. So Amazon also Web Services, Amazon Web Service. Okay, and also right, IBM, and also this is topmost Amazon Web Services, and also GCP, so Google Cloud, GCP. These are the topmost providers in market. GCP, and also Microsoft Cloud. Next, IBM Cloud, Alibaba Cloud. There is so many clouds. Alibaba Cloud. So mostly these three are the topmost. So in industry mostly they are following. So AWS Cloud, or GCP Cloud, or Microsoft, or IBM. There is many clouds available in market. Now if you go here, okay, cloud providers. So cloud providers. So if you give cloud providers means there is many cloud providers available. So we can see here cloud. This is AWS directly they come. List. Now if we see here, so these are the topmost. So there is many providers available. There is many providers available. So these are the so topmost providers. We can use anyone. That is your wish. But all are same. Hotel means all are hotels on, right? They are providing some services. Same way, these are the sorry. So these are the providers. We can use anyone. See here, Amazon Web Services. This is topmost one provider. Microsoft Azure one provider. Google Cloud one provider. And see IBM Cloud. This is also one provider. Oracle Cloud. This is also one provider. Alibaba Cloud, Red Hat Cloud, Digital Ocean, Cloudflare. These all are the providers. So based on requirement, we can select anyone. Based on requirement, we can select anyone. That is your wish. So based on requirement, for example, I need a digital version, which I can select, but there is no restriction. Based on company, based on a client, based on company, based on client, their requirement, based on charge, based on service availability. So we can select anyone. That is your wish. But these are the cloud providers. So cloud providers means so everything these servers are maintained by providers only. No need to worry. No need to worry. You don't worry anything. Everything. For example, I need one server. So I need one server. I need one server and I need only 6 months. For 6 months, we cannot buy this much amount, right? So if you want to any server, so how much period and all. So if you connect any cloud provider, మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, షాప్కి వెళ్తాం. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ ఎనీ ఐటమ్, వాట్ యూ నీడ్, జస్ట్ మనం అడతాం కదా, వాట్ ఆర్ ద రిక్వైర్మెంట్, వాట్ వీ వాంట్, హౌ మచ్ కాస్ట్. మనం జస్ట్ సేమ్ వే ఇఫ్ యూ నీడ్ ఎనీ సర్వర్స్ రియల్ టైమ్. నవేడేస్ ఆల్ కంపెనీస్ ఫాలోయింగ్ ఎనీ వన్ క్లౌడ్. సో దిస్ అండ్ ఆల్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ క్లయింట్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్, బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్. దర్ ఈస్ నో రిస్ట్రిక్షన్స్, బట్ ఆల్ ఆర్ సేమ్ ఓన్లీ. Maybe one cloud they are giving some services. AWS cloud they are providing more services. Oracle cloud they are providing some services. Cost wise, just some difference variation. Okay, and based on this we can select anyone. Now, so for example, I need one server and only 3 months. After 3 months, I don't want. So for this we cannot buy any server, right? 6 months మనం ఒక సర్వర్ బై చేయలేం కదా. సో 15 lakhs బై చేసి స్పే చేసి నెక్స్ట్ ఇవన్నీ మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి. సో ఫర్ దట్ రీజన్ సింప్లీ ఇఫ్ యూ గో గర్ ఎనీ క్లౌడ్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ నీడ్ వన్ సర్వర్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఓన్లీ 6 months. This is the configuration and I am going to deploy. These servers and all maintained by whom? దీస్ ప్రొవైడర్స్. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇప్పుడు ఒక సర్వర్ కావాలి, మాన్యువల్గా బై చేయాలంటే దిస్ మచ్ కాస్ట్ అవుతుంది మనకి. నో నో. సో nowadays many providers available in market, right? If you contact any provider and so if you contact so give our requirement, మనకి ఏం కావాలి జస్ట్ మనం ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేసామంటే సో బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దిస్ దే విల్ గివ్ కొటేషన్. Okay, how many days and what are the what type of application you want to deploy and internet, everything these people providing. So these people providing these servers and all, you don't worry, just use and throw, that's it. Simply if you want to understand, so pay, use and pay. Clear guys? I hope you got some idea, right? Why you go for cloud? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So these are the, this is the, so these are the very very important. Okay, so cloud nowadays, even if you attend any interview, mostly they are asking which cloud you know, but all are cloud only, no need to learn all these things, sir. If you learn all these things, it will take your at least right, it won't here you can learn at least 3 to 5 years also if you want to learn all clouds, but all are same only. We are going to learn one cloud. So now we are going to learn only AWS cloud, and same process, same services, same process, all are same only. Easily we can understand other cloud. For example, AWS cloud, you joined one organization, so might be they are using so GCP cloud or Microsoft Azure cloud. Now we can easily understand what are the services available, same service they are also providing, right? For example, how to right, how to drive one bike. Suppose if they are given different company, again we need to learn scratch level, no, right? Got it? మన కార్ కావాలని వచ్చు, ఒక కంపెనీ కార్, వేరే కంపెనీ కార్ ఇస్తే తెలియదని చెప్తాం, వీ కెన్ డ్రైవ్. హలో?
We can drive, sir.
వీ కెన్ డ్రైవ్, దట్స్ ఇట్. సో ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆల్ కంపెనీస్ ఆల్ ఆర్ సేమ్ ప్రాసెస్, రైట్? కార్ మీన్స్ ఏ కంపెనీ అయినా అదే గేర్లు ఉంటాయి, అదే సేమ్ ప్రాసెస్. సేమ్ హియర్ ఆల్సో, దిస్ ఈస్ ద వన్ క్లౌడ్. ఇప్పుడు మనం హోటల్కి వెళ్ళినాం, hotel means they are giving menu means all menu same only hotel will change, but menu items almost same only. Whatever you want we can order, same like here also. These are the cloud. Okay, so just remember these are the cloud. There is many clouds available in the market, but no need to learn all clouds, your wish. Whether if you want we can learn GCP, or if you want we can learn Microsoft Azure or Oracle cloud or DigitalOcean, all are the clouds only. But process is same only, and these are the different companies they are maintaining, and so based on maybe charge some variation. So AWS people they are giving some charge, means maybe Google, GCP, Oracle cloud they are giving some charge. So cost only maybe it will different. Remaining so process and all same only. This is the cloud. Now I need, I hope you got it right. Why you go for cloud? So physically, if you want to maintain, instead of maintaining physically, so now so nowadays many cloud providers available in market. Whatever you want, we can go and buy, and we can use and throw. Simply, if you want to use and pay, use and pay whatever you want. How many days? How many hours? What the configuration? Just simply, if you want to understand, use and pay. That's it. That is the story here. That is the story here. These are the providers. So there is many providers. Whatever you want, we can see here. This is a major list of cloud, and which one you want, so we can use. Now, if you use, AWS cloud, this is the official website. See here, Amazon Web Services. So Amazon Web Services, if you use this one, and so these people they are providing many things. These are the free tier. See here, for practice purpose, this is very useful. Amazon Web Services. So compare it to other providers. For buying and also no problem. For practice purpose, and so this is very useful. And these people they are providing nearly 250 services. and also these people they are providing nearly 250 services. Whatever you want, we can use it. Okay, so 250 services. And for learning purpose also, this is best compared to other cloud because these people so every month they are giving 750 hours free hours. So if you want to, we can practice every month. So these people they are giving 750 hours, and so that is and also free. So every month they are giving 750 hours for practice for free only. They won't pay. They no need to pay anything. No need to pay anything. No need to pay anything. And so with the help of these hours, we can practice. We can practice. So these are the main thing that is it. Now see here. So this is the option. And if you want to log in, so if you already account, if you click on sign in. If you don't have account, we need to create account. Okay. Now once if you log in, so right now we don't have account, right? So it will come like this. So it will come like this. So these are the services. So this is the login page. And also here one more thing, there is many, right, new things involved here. We'll see later. These are the regions. These are the regions. Logged in username. And left side top, we can see, right, 9 dots. So if we click on here, these are the list of services. So these are the list of services. In left side panel, we can see menu. And if we click on any menu, we can see many things. See here computer. See here EC2 instance, EC2 image builder, Lambda functions, AWS output, lot of things involved here. Databases. What type of database they are providing. Developer tools. So what are the tools they are providing for develop the code? And so end user computing. What are the services? And game development. We can use many things. Machine learning, AMI. See here, there is many services, media related. So these are the services. If we count like this, nearly 250 services available, plus also whatever you want, we can use it. That is our agenda. Okay, we'll see later. First to come to here, what is we'll see orally how it will work. Let's come to here. I hope we got some idea, right? Anyone any doubt? Hello, clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Just we'll see some orally how it will work. AWS spaces. Now, so if you go here, so this is one of the cloud. Don't confuse here. This is one cloud. AWS is the one cloud. See, Amazon Web Services. This is the full. So this is the one of the most and so right, comprehensive and highly adapted cloud in world. And so they are these people they are offering many services, nearly 250 200 plus services they are providing. And these features worldwide central, and millions of customers are using. And so right, compared to other providers, so this cost wise some better low cost. Why you go for this cloud, right? If you want to buy any item, first you are comparing multiple product, right, multiple companies. For example, I want to buy one laptop. There is many brands available. HP, Dell. There is market. There is many companies they are offering. And we are comparing other brand and which is suitable and which is better. We are going to buy, right. Same way. This is one cloud. AWS is the one cloud. And so with the cloud, these people they are providing some offers, and compared to other the many services providing. And also this is the other compared to other cloud, and these people they are giving so cost also lower cost. And this is very global wise. See, they are providing many, and so wherever you want you can access this worldwide. There is no restrictions. No restrictions. Okay. Now this are see, this is the worldwide most comprehensive and broadly adopted cloud platform offering so 200 plus services. And so data centers globally. There is they are maintaining many data centers. And so compared to other cloud, so this is the low cost and more agile model, interactive, faster and all. So now if you want to see, there is some infrastructure. So what is this? This is the infrastructure, correct? Infrastructure is nothing but this is one physical server. So if you want to manually buy, we need to buy. I don't want to buy manually. I want to use and throw. So that case, we go for cloud. But how these people they are maintaining infrastructure and all, we'll see. So now even if you go, these people they are maintaining many regions also. We can see. So if we go here, AWS. So these are the new things and the regions and availability zone. So regions and availability zone. And so these are the regions and availability zone. If you want to enter also what is they are asking region, what is availability zone. There are many areas. So worldwide they are maintaining many things. Go back, see here image how these people are maintaining. See here worldwide. Can you see image? Is it visible or not? Hello, కనిపిస్తుందా? కనిపిస్తుందా కనిపించలేదా? ఓకే, నౌ దిస్ వన్ it is not opening. Now see here. So these are the regions and availability zone. See here how these are maintaining. So this is based on whole wise. Where is India? So this is the North America, right? So this is the South. So this is the US. They are maintaining many data centers, many regions, many availability zones. And see here also. And so if you go, this is Australia, Sydney, and this is the Singapore two available two they are maintaining in India also. See here, Mumbai, India also we have one so data centers, and so India also there. Recently they launched Hyderabad also. So Mumbai, this is the India. Now if you go here, see, let's go China and all. So these are the regions and availability zones. So region is nothing but this is a physical space. Now see here. So if you go here, now if you go here, so what is region? Region is nothing but it is physical location. What is region? Don't confuse here. Region is nothing but this is one physical location. If we want to maintain these servers, we need one. They are maintaining some place, one area, right? So that is nothing but a region, one space. In India also they are maintaining so too. So like see here Mumbai and same way. See region is nothing but simply physical location around so the world where cluster data centers where they are maintaining their clusters and all. Availability zones is nothing but so this is the group of logical data centers. Group of logical availability zones. So if you see here availability zones, they are giving so lot of things they are maintaining internally, but this and all availability zones, correct? Zones in India. Okay. Now see here, they are maintaining like this. How where is data centers? This is like if you want to assume, so first space way. So data centers means it. They are maintaining some servers, right? ఆ సర్వర్ లేకపోతే మనం ఎలా యూస్ చేసుకుంటాం? ఇఫ్ యూ పే మీన్స్ దే ఆర్ గివింగ్ సమ్ సర్వర్, రైట్? సో లైక్ దిస్ ఎప్పుడైనా మనం అడ్మిన్ రూమ్కి వెళ్తే ఐటీలో సాఫ్ట్వేర్లో సో దే ఆర్ మెయింటైనింగ్ సమ్ బాక్స్ లైక్ డేటా సెంటర్స్. సో దీస్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఫిజికల్ లొకేషన్స్ యూ డోంట్ వరీ హౌ ఇట్ దే ఆర్ మెయింటైనింగ్ అండ్ ఆల్. దిస్ ఈస్ నాట్ అవర్ డ్యూటీ. సో దిస్ అండ్ ఆల్ టేకింగ్ కేర్ బై AWS పీపుల్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ వన్ బిగ్ రూమ్. ఇన్ ద రూమ్ దే ఆర్ మెయింటైనింగ్ మెనీ థింగ్స్. సీ హియర్, these are the data centers. These are the See AWS invest DBs at AWS Asia Pacific Hyderabad region. This is the Hyderabad region. See here, launched second AWS infrastructure region in India. So that is the AWS Hyderabad region. That rapid increase in the data customers. So internal గా ఇలా ఉంటుంది మనకి. So this and all you no need to worry. Just we are seeing how it will look like. ఇది ఎలా ఉంటుంది అనేది ఇలా మెయింటైన్ చేస్తారు. దీస్ ఆర్ ద మెనీ మిషన్స్ దే ఆర్ మెయింటైనింగ్. దీస్ ఆర్ ద డేటా సెంటర్స్. బట్ హైదరాబాద్ ఇన్ ఇండియా వీ హ్యావ్ టూ రీజన్స్, రైట్? వన్ ఈస్ ముంబై రీజన్, అదర్ వన్ ఈస్ Hyderabad region. But Hyderabad not yet fully implemented. So as of now, currently we are using only Mumbai region. Even if we go here, so here also we can see Mumbai means AP South. So this is the code Mumbai. So there is no, see here, only one visible. So AP means not Andhra Pradesh. So it's a Pacific Mumbai. AP South 1. So as of now, Hyderabad not yet fully implemented. Okay, under it is construction only. We can see list also. Now see here, this is the US East and US West 2, and so US West 1 and US West 2, and same. This is India and Northeast and Seoul, Singapore, AP South. These are the code. These are the codes. Okay. So Canada. So like this, there is many we can see. Many. So this and all based on your account, it will visible few things. Clear, guys? Hello? Anyone any doubt?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
these are the
ఇప్పుడు
data centers. Okay.
మెయిన్ డేటాబేస్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది సార్?
Yes, correct. But they are maintaining internally many things. We cannot see those and all. If anyone, if anyone join like AWS company, if anyone join AWS company, so they are providing. So if you really if you working any region, so that case we can see network admin that and all. Though that people they will take care. You don't worry. No need to worry. So how will it look like? Means it will see like this only. Now, so these are the what is region. Simply if anyone is region, what is region in AWS? Region is nothing but that is the one physical location. Now Mumbai is one physical location, Hyderabad also one physical location, and each physical location we have availability zones. So Mumbai they are maintaining two availability zones, and also Hyderabad also maybe they are maintaining two availability zones. So zone is nothing but see here. This is in worldwide, and they each group of logical data centers and availability zone. Now just now we saw, right? This is like nothing but availability zone. So this is the so they are maintaining one zone. So they are maintaining a zone. AWS availability. Currently AWS has 96 availability zones across three geographic regions. Worldwide, how many availability zones available? As of now, 96 availability zones. Availability zones means so like this they are maintaining data centers. This so two areas they are maintaining data centers. That is so worldwide as of now how many availability zones? 96 zones across and three geographic regions. So total 30 regions and they are maintaining 96 availability zones. Mumbai means two availability zones, and same way Hyderabad two availability zones. In mostly US we are maintaining many availability zones. Here also we can see. Anyway, coming classes we can understand all these things. Somewhere also this is US, right? How many availability zones? So for everywhere they are maintaining availability zones. There is some option. While creating instance, we can see all these things. So Mumbai availability zones. Mumbai availability. So they are using maybe two. Now see here. So AP South, this is the Mumbai region A to Z, and so they are maintaining two only. See Mumbai region they are maintaining two, 1A and 1B. So in Mumbai they are maintaining 2A, and same way US, US East availability zone. So they are maintaining many. See here. So US East they are maintaining four availability zones. See here US East 1A, US East 1B, US East 1C, 1D, and C E. How many they are maintaining? So like this. So that is the reason 30 regions and 96 availability zones worldwide as of now they established. Now got it right? Currently, currently total how many regions? And 30 regions. And so this is physical locations. And so total 96 availability zones. 96 availability zones. I hope you got it right. So anyone any doubt? So these are simple things only. Coming classes we can easily understand. Now each region county multiple isolated physical data separate availability zones with the geographic areas. This is like this. Now these people so mostly they are providing many services. So mostly they are providing many services. These are the topmost services. We are going to learn some services. So we are going to learn some services. And interview purpose mostly as a DevOps engineer, we need some service. No need to learn all services. If you want to learn all services, it will take time. At least it will take 1 year. But for admin, we need some services. For DevOps, we need some services. For developers, we need some services. For architect, we need some services. So as a DevOps engineer, we need some service. That's enough. So these are the service we are going to learn. So here these are the terminology, guys. So these are the terminologies. Try to understand. See here, AWS EC2. So elastic cloud. So if we need one OS, right? We need one OS. So okay, that this is the server, okay. But in this server, నేను సర్వర్ బై చేశాను డైరెక్ట్లీ ఇట్ విల్ వర్క్ నో రైట్ మీకు ఆ సర్వర్ వర్క్ చేయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి దానికి యూ బై వన్ న్యూ ల్యాప్టాప్ ఆర్ వీ బై వన్ న్యూ డెస్క్టాప్ అది డైరెక్ట్లీ వర్క్ చేస్తుందా దీస్ ఆల్ ఆర్ ద ఓన్లీ ఫిజికల్ కాంపోనెంట్స్ రైట్ it won't work if you work with laptop or desktop or mobile anything internal దాంట్లో ఏం వేయాలి మనం ఏం ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలి అందరు మొబైల్ వాడతారు ఎస్ దిస్ ఈజ్ హార్ట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ కోర్ రైట్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ వితౌట్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ వీ కెనాట్ వర్క్ దిస్ ఈజ్ అ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఓఎస్ సో ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ సో దట్ మేబీ ఇట్ ఈస్ విండోస్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ or Linux operating system or Ubuntu, Mac, anything. Already you know, in Linux already we discussed, right? Whatever you want. This is one physical server, that's it. If you want to work with this server, at least we need to install one operating system. 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 So that is maybe anything. Already you know Windows or there is many flavors available Windows also. So Windows operating system or Linux or Linux or so Mac OS or Mac OS that is based on your you know right based on Ubuntu operating system. There is many things CentOS operating system, lot of OS operating system available. We need to install. But if you come to cloud, so if you want to install, if you need one you know right operating system with physical devices, so there is one topmost services in AWS EC2. This is the one service everyone need to learn. A1 admin we need to learn EC2. A1 DevOps engineer we need to learn EC2 service, and architect this is a basic service EC2. EC2 is nothing but this is the see here. Elastic Compute Cloud. This is the Elastic Compute. This is the full form EC2. See here. So Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. So that is the reason shortcut we are calling EC2. This is the web service that provide secure, resizable compute capacity in cloud. It is designed to web scale what it can have. So these are the types, instance types. So now just now we discussed right instance type. అంటే మాకు ర్యామ్ ఎంత ఉండాలి హార్డ్ డిస్క్ ఎలా ఉండాలి హౌ మచ్ స్పేస్ సో దట్ అండ్ ఆల్ కమింగ్ హియర్ సీ హియర్ దిస్ ఈస్ based on need. So whether you want see here general purpose, other whether you want compute optimized, whether you want memory purpose, whether you want you know right accelerated and storage, and these are the types. First we need to select, right? Even if you go mobile shop, if you buy one mobile, first we are asking, right? A model, A generation, RAM anta, processor anta, storage, how much storage, what is the RAM, what is processor, speed, and battery. Got it? Same way, if you want to launch any EC2 instance in AWS cloud, so these are the some of basic. Now see here storage. How much storage you want? See here, this is the storage section. Anyway, coming classes we'll see. Just I'm giving overview. And also which network you want to connect, and what is the cost optimization, and what are the service, which service you want, and cost purpose. These are the sum of one service. This is the one of the topmost service we need to learn. EC2 Elastic, EC2 one service, and also EBS, EBS or VPC. What is VPC? This is the mandate, right? Virtual Private Cloud, VPC. So where you want to, what is the IP range? These are mandatory, guys. If you join any organization, slowly we can understand. Anyway, if you learn here, this is very simple. If you join any organization, and so they are giving these names only, EC2, VPC, some naming. These are the sum of, and EBS, Elastic Block Storage, and so now, right? Next, IAM, Identity and Access Management. This and all users creations. So organization means we are not only one person, right? Many persons working parallelly. And how to create account for each user, how to create account for each user, how to give access for each user, how to give access each users, what access we need to provide. This is a mandatory. This is the IAM, Identity and Access Management. AMI. There is many services available. These are some services. EBS. This is storage. VPC. Virtual. Right. Private cloud. And RDS. Database. Project means database also mandatory. Without database, there is no project. Project means database is mandatory. So RDS. This is a relational database service, and also S3 bucket. Simple storage service. I want to store something, any type of data. So any type of data. So this is the one service, S3 service. And see here, ECS. This is the elastic container. Right, Docker. This is the Docker related ECS, Elastic Container Service. And so AWS Lambda functions. Now see here, Cloud Front, Cloud Watch. This is for monitoring purpose. Logs, logs. If you want to see any logs, this under logs. And this is the simple email service, how to send SMS and all, and a simple query service. And these are the some of tools, whatever you want. There is many service available. So that is based on requirement. We are going to learn a few services. Few services. Got it, guys? So topmost, mostly we are going to use these are the services. So IAM, Identity and Access Management, EC2, and EBS, and Lambda functions. And apart from this, there is many service. What is this auto scaling, load balancer, and also EBS, EFS, IFS. There is many services. Just remember, these are the topmost some services. So as a DevOps engineer, mostly we are going to learn at least 15 to 20 services. That's enough. 15 to 20 services. Even if we have 5 years, 10 years experience, this service is enough. Apart from this, they won't ask anything. I will show you what are the topmost services and which service mostly they are asking, and mostly we are going to discuss that service only. I hope you got some idea, right? So anyone any doubt as of now?
Yes.
Okay. So mostly interview they are asking few services. Hardly they are asking, right? Interview they are asking mostly hardly 5 to 10 service only. Remaining very simple only. So if you focus these 10 services, that's enough. Interview purpose. Hardly interview they are asking 5 to 10 services. So whatever topmost services and which service you mentioned resume, mostly they are touching those only. If you practice better, that service enough. Practice as well as theoretically. So if you want to clear a interview, first we need to theoretically read at least what is what అడుగుతాడు ఇంటర్వ్యూలో వాడు ఏం అడుగుతాడు అవిని మనం క్రియేట్ చేయమని అడగడు హౌ టు కాన్ఫిగర్ ఫిజికలీ ఓకే ఇంటర్వ్యూ మీన్స్ వార్లీ రైట్ అట్లీస్ట్ వాట్ ఈస్ వాట్ వీ నీడ్ టు లెర్న్ 1 or 2 lines ఫర్ ఈచ్ సర్వీస్ దట్స్ ఎనఫ్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ AWS in DevOps mostly if you write hardly write 70 to 100 questions if you by heart all questions that's enough. If anyone is asking what is EC2, if anyone is asking what is IAM, at least only 1 or 2 lines. No need to give write paragraph answers. Interview means maximum minimum half an hour, maximum 1 hour. That's it. In between they are asking few questions. So only we need to give shortcut answers. No need to give write paragraph answers and all. That's enough. That is simplest way. But how you are compatible, just follow that way only. మీకు ఎలా ఇష్టం అలా ఫాలో అవ్వండి బట్ అట్లీస్ట్ వీ నీడ్ టు లెర్న్ ఈచ్ సర్వీస్ 2 to 3 lines and one example, that's it. How it will work, what is the purpose, and so what is the advantage, that's and all. Clear guys? Now coming to here, now these are the some basics, so how it will work and all, and what is region, this is the physical location, and availability zones, these are the data centers, and so worldwide, how many as of now? 30 regions and 96 availability zones. This is world only. Here we are giving count and all very less only. Document not at update. So, but so recently, so total, so they are maintaining, so that and all. And these are the sum of services. So these are the sum of services. These are the sum of services. And whatever you want, so. Anyone, any doubt as of now? I'm going to next one. So now once you log in, so we can see this is the home page. This is the home page. If we click on service, we can see services. And so if you want to search any service, we can search here, RDS. This is the search box. This is a global search. So this is the next class. I will show you how to create account and so how to create one server in AWS. Manually, how we are creating, same steps, same process we are doing in AWS. That's it. This is one cloud. But if you want to create cloud, if you want to create any server here, first we need account. Without account, we cannot create anything without login. That is the basic point. Okay. So for example, I need one service RDS. If you search means it will come that service only, database. Suppose if you need EC2, just type EC2. That's it. See here, this is the EC2 service. And whatever you want. For example, I need VPC. Just search VPC. Virtual private cloud. See here, this is isolated cloud. Internally, so there is many services. There is subnets, route table, internet gateway, and so VPCs, and so these are the services. Okay, this is a global, and these are the left side panel. Whatever you want. Suppose if we create instances, see here, if we click on instances, how many instances we have, running instances, and how many stopped instances, and these are the sections. And this is the regions. Which region right now we are in? Region is nothing but physical location. If you want to, we can change. I want to go to Mumbai region. Click on Mumbai region. That's it. Now see here. So now it's switched to Mumbai region. Suppose if you want to go to US region, click on US East. So this is my account. This is my username, and this is my account ID. And if we click on here, so if you want to, we can see some more information. Switch to role, switch to login, logout. So login, logout, and these are the instance types. Already we discussed, right? What is types and how it will work and all instance types and launch templates tab. See here, lot of options involved here. Image related AMI, Amazon mission image, and what is the EBS volume, snapshots, life cycle, and network related, and load balance and auto scaling. So these are the very important. These are the very important. Now see here, these are the instance types. See here, so based on RAM, we are going to select this and all. See, So how many CPs you want, and so what is the architecture and memory, how much you want. These are the instance types. These are the instances. See, these are the instance types. You know, right? If you go here, నాకు ఎలా ఉండాలి, ర్యామ్ ఎంత ఉండాలి, సిపి ఎలా ఉండాలి, హార్డ్ స్పేస్ ఎలా ఉండాలి. సో దీస్ అండ్ ఆల్, దీస్ ఆర్ ద బేసిక్ పాయింట్స్ we need to understand. We need to understand these are the basic points we need to understand. Okay. Next, these are some services. AMI, ఏ టైప్ ఇమేజ్ కావాలి, what type of image, and so these are the volumes, how much space you want, how much space you want. By default they are providing 8 GB space. If you want, we can increase. And these are the security, network and security, what is, which IP you want, what is the key, and what is the security group, and where you want to run this and that. These are very, very important, load balancing and auto scaling. So 99% or not 99, 100% they are asking these two questions. What is load balancing, what is auto scaling, why you go for load balancing, and so how to configure load balancing, what are the types of load balancer. There is many, a lot of questions involved here, and so I will explain later. So while discussing load balancing, we can see all these things, and what is auto scaling and how it will work. So these are the, so most interview they are asking auto scaling, load balancer, and if you go here, there is some AMI, IAM, and so, and also they are asking here in instance types, and so now VPC, that they are asking VPC questions. Now some basic, these are the some basic. So now, so if you, this is the global search, this is the services. If you want to see all services, and so which service and which region you want, we can see. And if you want to create any instance, this is the option. This is the option. Next class we'll see how to create and all, how it will work. These are the existing. Already someone is created. And if you want to create any instance, see here there is a launch instance. If you click on this, so this is the template. This is the template. So here we can, we need to select, we need to configure few things. We need to configure few things. See here what is the name and what is the application and OS image, what type of image you want. So which OS you want. See here, Red Hat, Amazon Linux, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat. So these are the operating systems. These are the operating systems. These are the operating systems. And so if you come to instance type, here we can see free. Free tier eligible means already I told, right? Every month they are giving 750 hours. We can use that 750 hours for practice purpose. So every month they are giving, and so remaining, so only few are free tier. Only two are free tier. Remaining paid. We need to pay based on your usage. We need to pay based on usage. We need to pay. So this is the key pair and network. What is the IP, where you need to connect, how it will work. So next class we'll see. This is the storage. By default they are providing only 8 GB. If you want to, we can increase. And these are the types. So if you change this thing, so will, they will charge. They will charge based on your usage. They will charge. And what is the volumes and all. And finally, if you click launch instance means it will create the one instance. That's it. But before that, we need to understand some basic. So what is what? I hope you got it right. So anyone any doubt as of now? So why you go for so cloud? Not only cloud, yeah, AWS, and if you want to, we can create a GCP account, or if you want to, we can create a Microsoft Azure account. But these people, so they won't give so this much free hours. For a practice purpose, my suggestion, AWS cloud is the best. And if you go for GCP, they are giving 1 month only. And Microsoft Azure, they are giving some hours. And so if you finish that hours, we need to pay. But AWS people, mostly they are giving some free services. Anyway, mostly we are also going to work with free service only, and no need to pay anything. If you use any other service and based on your usage, based on your hours and usage, they will charge. Clear, guys? I hope you got some idea, right? Not 100%. What is what? Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just next class we'll see so how to create AWS account. and how to create one instance. And that time we can easily understand why you go for AWS and all. There is a lot of usage advantage available here. We are not maintaining, and so this is the cloud. This and all everything taken care by who? I am going to create one instance. వీటన్నిటిని ఎవరు మెయింటైన్ చేస్తారు? మనం ఫిజికల్ గా మెయింటైన్ చేస్తామా? AWS people they are maintaining. I am going to create one instance. ఈ ఇన్స్టెన్స్ ఎవరు మెయింటైన్ చేస్తారు? మన లోకల్లో ఉంటుందా? AWS ఉంది. AWS people. That is the cloud, right?
AWS.
Like a hotel. So everything they will take care. You don't worry. What you want, just order. That's it. Same way, what service you want, we are going to use. So some of service are free, some service are we need to pay amount. That's it. Anyway, so next class we'll see. We'll create how to create account in AWS. So if you want to do anything here, so account is mandatory in AWS. Okay, without so AWS account we cannot do anything here. Not only here, even if you want to practice GCP also you need account. Even if you want to practice any cloud, first you need to create a user's account. Okay, so once you set up, next we are going to create the services and all. So next class we'll see. Clear, guys?